This is the Abus Plus 8850 padlock. It's one of the best solid brass padlocks you can buy, which makes it a great option for severe weather conditions. It also has a chrome plating, which gives it additional corrosion resistance. Now it looks like a nickel finish, but Abus states it's a chrome plating. It has a 3/8 inch hardened alloy steel shackle. It also has a double ball bearing locking mechanism. You can see the rounded cutouts here, and you can also see the ball bearing. This makes it unshimmable. What makes this padlock so special is the high security disc detainer core. I believe it has 7 discs, and unlike the standard pin tumbler locks you find in the US, this core truly gives you a fair amount of pick resistance. In the unlocked position, the key cannot be removed. This key retaining feature prevents you from accidentally locking the key in the container that you are trying to lock up, such as a locker, shed, or cabinet. The cylinder can also be rekeyed. You need to put it in the unlocked position and remove this screw. At this point, remove the key, and you can use this end of the key to unscrew this bottom cap. Now, the older 8850s did not have a chrome plate, and I think the Abus Plus core was much more secure. Let me know in the comments if you have any information on that. This is the box it came in. It looks like this particular model is actually made in Germany. It has a security rating of 8 out of 10. It comes with 2 keys and a card with the key code on it if you want to make additional keys. The 8850 also has a baby brother, which is the Abus Plus 8840. This is a 40mm version. Pretty much the same features, but smaller. It has a 7mm shackle, chrome-plated solid brass body, double ball locking mechanism. It also has the Abus Plus disc detainer core. Here's the packaging for the 8840. It has a security rating of 7 out of 10. Here's a size comparison. The 8840 also comes with a key code card and 2 keys. The Abus Plus 8850 and 8840 are both great padlocks, great for outdoors, for severe weather. Now, if they made a solid steel version of the 8850, I'd be all over it because steel is much tougher than brass. All in all, the 88 series are well made and come with great security features. You can find these padlocks on eBay, Amazon, or other online stores. Depending on where you look, you might find the 8850 for about $35 and the 8840 for about $30. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.